Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, it's likely that your screen is cracked, making it hard to use your laptop effectively. This issue can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, such as malfunctioning touch sensitivity or electrical issues, making your device unusable. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen for the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift one corner of the screen. Once you've created a gap, insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the bezel. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing. After removing the bezel, locate the screws that secure the screen. These are usually located at the corners. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove them, applying gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. With the screws removed, you can now carefully tilt the screen forward. Be cautious, as there will be cables attached at the back. Gently disconnect the display cable by pulling on the connector, ensuring you do not tug on the wires themselves. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align it with the hinges and reconnect the display cable, making sure it's securely attached. Once the screen is in place, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not over-tightening. After that, carefully snap the bezel back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 to check if the new screen functions correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case or sleeve when transporting your laptop. Avoid placing heavy items on top of it, and try to keep it away from the edges of tables where it could fall. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.